pros and I want to pay for all of your pedicures.
Y'all, I'm weak. But what I need to do some like revenge type stuff. So like what man's gonna be like, oh, well, if you want me to leave you alone, you gotta come over here and punch me.
I'm at the crib right now, and I was wondering if you could swing by because I really miss you.
Okay. Yeah, most definitely just woke up. It is, let's see, I woke up at like 8:45, but it's like 8:54 right now. I got up, went pee, brushed my teeth. I checked a couple of my emails real quick, but I need to hurry and get up so I can go to the gym. Y'all, the guy that I'm talking to has not texted me in like 24 hours. Hey, are you okay? But I'm not gonna play with him. I'm not gonna play them games. No. Oh, and then I gotta fix this lash. One of my lashes done slipped out. Y'all, one of my best friends is she's going to school to, you know, be a cosmetologist. You know, she's doing hair, you know, nails. She gonna text me, would you ever trust me enough to let me wax your coochie? Okay, so I'm trying to vlog on TikTok too, so maybe I could do like a little clip for TikTok, just so I can promote my YouTube channel a little bit. But I have on a little set from Old Navy, and then I have on my Apple Watch, a Chicago hat, and just my hair in a quick ponytail, and I fixed my lash. So yeah, I'm gonna head to the gym. I'm gonna have some pre-workout. I usually use Bang. I want to get that Alani Nu or whatever it's called. I think that's a really good option for me. I head to the gym around 9:30, so I should hurry and chug this pre-workout and head to the gym, get my keys ready, get my mask and stuff like that. I'm sorry, I still wear a mask at the gym. I'm not taking you guys today because this is my first day with this little camera, but I will be including clips on my phone from the vlog, from the gym. For TikTok, so go check out my TikTok if you want a little bit, like, you know, a little bit extra little clips. But yeah, so I don't even know what I have to do. I'm still kind of tired. No lie. But yeah, so I will see you guys when I get back. Okay, so now I am back from the gym. I hope that it's not too loud because of the cars outside, but how do I hold this? I have a case coming in for this camera, which I'm so excited for. Let me get up. Really am trying to stack my money this summer. Really stack, really save. Really just do me. I'm trying to save. I really want a car, you guys. So hopefully this little YouTube thing takes off. So I can monetize these videos and get paid twice from TikTok and YouTube. But that's really my goal this summer, is to really run it up. I'm also on Airtime, so if you guys want to check that out, I go live pretty often. So okay, so I did my hair and my makeup, and now I am back. Look, I don't even know where I'm pointing. Back doing emails after I got out the shower, because I got a couple emails and I got a contract to sign and a couple things to do. I'm vlogging today on TikTok as well, so hopefully that promotes this video. But yeah, y'all, I'm just really chilling. So tonight I do have a job. I might have a job to do at the Roanoke downtown. I'm gonna try to find somebody to go with me, and it's gotta be a lady. And I don't have any friends, but my best friend from, you know, that I do have, she lives an hour and a half away, so that's gonna be pretty difficult to work with. So I'm gonna have to try to find somebody. Another friend that I asked is working tonight, so we're just gonna have to figure that out on my own. So I gotta sit here, text people, see what's up, okay, and finish these emails, and hopefully I can go, because I really do want to go. I feel like that'd be fun for me. But yeah, okay, so I am I finished taking some photos of myself, you guys. I'm looking at these makeup things, and like I wish I did my makeup like really good today, but I didn't. I just literally put on whatever. She looks so freaking good. Look at this. Look at this. If this even focuses. Look how good she looks. Oh my gosh, this outside, this freaking street cleaner is so loud. I'm so sorry. She looks so good. Like, look how good. I'm mad. Wow. I wish I was going out. I was supposed to, so like I said, like I was saying, I had a job tonight, but they told me at the last minute to go to the Roanoke, and I still have not found anybody. So I'm really hoping that I can make something shake. Okay, so I am going to the Roanoke, so I put pressure on the dude, and I said, you know, I'm gonna be there at 7. You can meet me there. Let's have a fun night. So let's see if I get stood up tonight, you guys. But yeah, tonight I'm really gonna determine some stuff. But I will show you my fit tonight. I feel like I low-key don't match, but it matches at the same time. So I have on, let's see. I have on these jeans with a huge rip in it. I have this black bodysuit on. I paired it with some gold jewelry, and then I have some iridescent is gonna look from the front. I think that's pretty damn cute. I mean, pretty dang cute. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna head out there in like 20 minutes, so I should start charging my phone and charge this camera battery for a little bit. Sit in front of this air conditioner because it's getting kind of hot, and pack my purse and such. So I will see you guys when I get closer there, or when I'm there. I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit. Okay, guys. He said he couldn't make it. So I'm eating alone, and it's super cute though. I love the Roanoke. I've been here before. I've been here before, and I absolutely love it. Oh, my mom's calling me back. Hold on. Hello. I think I'm gonna get a whole bunch of. I don't care. It's just me. What I need to do some like revenge type stuff. So like, what should I do? Should I end it? You guys, it is so pretty here. I'm gonna show you guys kind of like where I'm sitting. So I'm sitting kind of in a private area, but it is so cute. Look at outside. Look at that, you guys. And it's full, and you know, inside is all full. And before I leave, I will probably go in there and get a couple clips of what it looks like. They have mac and cheese bites, you guys. I'm sorry, people are looking at me whining and stuff. They have mac and cheese bites. I'm gonna have mac and cheese. Okay, this is all the drinks and stuff.
So warm.
Scale 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Good?
Yeah.
10?
Out of 10? Yeah. I like the simmer and there's some different compliments.
Ooh, okay. I think I'm gonna do. Let's see. It's only me, so I'm about to eat tonight.
Yeah, for
Let's
sure.
see. I'll do mac and cheese.
Sure, how do you want to do it?
Yeah,
it's up to you.
I'll just.
We can do the roll-up sound, the bites first, and then the company.
No, we'll do it all together.
Yeah,
I'm gonna take little bites.
Okay, yeah, for sure.
I'm gonna take little bites of each.
So look
at the little drink. Hold on, I got to take a video of this. Let's see. Should I get hand sanitizer? I actually get hand sanitizer before I touch that. Look for this. Let's see. Oh yes. Oh heck yeah. Heck freaking yeah. Ooh, a little spicy. Okay, so I got the mac and cheese bite. You guys heard what I got. Mac and cheese bite salad with pasta. I'm gonna have it all laid out here because I don't care. I'm eating. I'm kind of still disappointed that my man friend didn't show up. I mean, I asked at the last minute, but I need a man that's gonna be like, oh! This is what I get for talking about that. I spilled my drink on myself. The doctor smiled at me. I don't know what to say. I don't know what it is, and I hope it doesn't have any meat in it. First thing. Look, okay guys, first thing first, I'm a realist. Okay, first thing, I'm talking to myself over here to a camera. I don't care. I'm like, oh, you don't have friends? Nope. That's not my business, and I have fun. I get to do things like this and go out to eat for free. So, no, I don't have friends because I work all the time, and I worked hard. I gotta ask what this is. Excuse me, so what is this?
No, that's not you. No, the broader. They
Yeah.
dropped this off. No, that's not you. No.
Yeah, I was
I'm sorry
about
about
to
that.
say.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. I was about to eat it. Never mind. Let's take a bite. I was about to take a bite. Like, no, I was about to take a bite. I even posted on. Wait. I posted it on my story. Like it was mine. Chilly. I'm honestly so blessed to be able to do things like this. I
remember that very well.
Okay, yeah, this is a lot better. Okay. Cool DMG. Shout out to him. This is his Instagram. I don't even know if it's gonna, whatever. But absolutely amazing man. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Top tier man. Superior man. Let me hurry and get this in before this camera dies. Look at that, you guys. And then look at this. Look at this salad. And then, hold on, I have to show you guys the mac and cheese bites. These are absolutely ridiculous. Look at these. Look at this food, you guys. This looks so good, and I'm eating this all by myself. You guys are my date tonight. Really, this camera has never died on me before, so I just got it 2 days ago. Yeah, I tore that food up. I got 2 little to-go boxes that I am going to put the rest of my salad and the rest of my pasta in to try dessert. I did a skillet cookie. Okay, so you guys, it's really bright. I got a box back there. It's kind of messy here, but so this guy hit me up on Instagram talking about he wants to pay for my pedicures, and you guys know I like to post a lot of pedicure videos on TikTok. And he's talking about he's simping over my feet and that he wants to pay for my pedicures and send me a video. And I'm thinking this is very funny. I do want a free pedicure. Definitely gonna tell him. Let's text him back. He says, one more question. Do you want me to try to be normal and confident, or let me true embarrassing self and talk like a weakling, since that's how I feel right now to you? So let me think. Weakling, duh. Why you gotta be embarrassed? I need you to be I need this video, you guys. Life is crazy. But yes, I got back. I Ubered halfway back. I took the train and I Ubered. Y'all, my stomach was like blue blue, and then it stopped hurting as soon as I got out the house. I mean, got off the train to Uber. My stomach stopped hurting. I got home, my stomach doesn't hurt anymore, and it was because I had ice cream and I'm lactose intolerant, you guys. That was my fault. I knew it, but my camera did die, and you know, I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with this dude. I really like him, but like something not right. I had to ask him. I said, do you got a wife? Do you got a girlfriend? Did you meet somebody else? He's like, about no. Well, then act accordingly. Act accordingly. If you want to be my husband, just say it. Look.
Hi, Queen Ina. It's Matt Ortman. I'm a total simp for your toes, and I want to pay for all of your pedicures.
Y'all, I'm weak. I need to go wash my face. Okay, you guys. Oh my gosh, the brightness got so much better. Okay, so I got my pimple patches on, and I'm going to try to edit this video. I took a shower, and now I'm all comfy. Got my little PJs on, so yeah. But listen, the guy I'm kind of talking to, He's talking about just leave me alone. Boy, if you want me to leave you alone, you gotta come over here and punch me. Come over here and punch me. I'm not leaving you alone. You should have never asked for my name. I'm sorry, you gotta come over here and punch me. Punch me. I'm not leaving you alone. Punch me. I'm sorry. You can be dramatic all you want, but come over here. If you really want me to leave you alone, punch me. Seriously, punch me. You won't, so I'm not leaving you alone. These dudes are crazy. These dudes are seriously so crazy. Like, serious. Like, punch me. Serious. I don't even care anymore. But we're gonna see tomorrow. Should I vlog? I should vlog tomorrow. Should I vlog tomorrow? Because I want to see if that guy's gonna pay for my pedicure. I know you guys want to see if that guy's gonna pay for my pedicure. I'm so intrigued. Ooh, I'm so excited for tomorrow because of that. But I think I'm gonna go to the gym, come back, do some emails, and around 2 I should do that. But I got a glass of water and it's all the way over there, so I'm about to drink some water and edit this video. And I think I'm gonna try to have these up for 8 a.m. tomorrow. So if you guys know what I'm talking about, I'm trying to like plan my content. So like 8 a.m. tomorrow I should post. So you feel me? So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna try to edit this. I took my sleeping pills already, so I'm gonna edit as much as I have to finish it by tonight. I don't think it should be that hard to edit, but I wonder how long this vlog is gonna be. I'm excited. I'll see you guys. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. And are you guys, I like doing daily vlogs a lot, but would you guys rather be interested in daily? I think I should do why are you speeding on my block like that? Seriously. No, but I think I'm gonna start just doing daily vlogs, and then once I build my YouTube more, I will start doing weekly vlogs, because that's gonna be a little bit, you know, easier. But yes, you guys, so excited. But thank you guys for watching this vlog, and hopefully I'll vlog tomorrow again. It was so fun vlogging, and yeah, I'm so excited. I love my new camera. I absolutely love my new camera. I'm so excited that I got it, happy that I got it. So yeah, I will see you guys.